new Mercedes Benz, a brand new 2022 Mercedes. Color of your Mercedes, it is blue. Do you like
Oh,
blue?
yes, I love blue, sir. Could I get it in sky blue?
Sky blue. Wow, wonderful. That's the color you're going to be receiving. The sky blue.
Oh my God. Oh, Mr. British, you're such a God blessed man. Mr. British, you don't know what you're doing to me today. You're changing my life, sir.
Well, you have one from our company, and that's why I'm here to notify you.
Okay, sir. Okay, Mr. British.
All right. So what happened? So what happened now? I may say everything is on the open up for you. Today you are a millionaire in your resident. You're gonna have money to buy anything of your choice.
Oh my
You're
God.
gonna have money to spend for the rest of your life.
Jesus
It's up to you to believe in yourself that you are a winner. Because
Yes, sir.
You are
Yes,
a winner.
I am a
Today,
winner.
from our company.
Stacy, I'm a winner, baby. Yes, sir. Go ahead.
All right. So listen to what I'm saying now. We want to be coming over to meet you now, all right? So what
Okay.
happened now? You're going to be receiving also 2-year free gasoline.
Oh
You're
my
going to be
God.
receiving $10,000 every month up on your time when you're
I
doing
know,
it.
Father God. That's why I've been praying so hard, Father. That's why I've been praying.
Are you hearing me?
Yes, I'm hearing you, sir. Go ahead. Don't pay me no mind, sir.
You're going to be receiving $250,000 also in cash. But what happened now, you need to go get yourself registered. So when a guy's going to be coming over, you're going to show him your valid ID and your claimer's card.
Okay, sir. And how can I obtain a claimer's card, sir?
All right, get a pen and piece of paper that provide you with information of what you're going to be doing.
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna go get it. Yeah, okay, sir. Let's go.
All right, you're going to be writing American Express gift card.
Okay. American Express gift card. Okay, sir.
All right, then you're going to be writing a Green Dot Money Pack scratch card, all right?
Green. Okay, let me get this down. Green Dot Money Scratch card. Is that correct?
Right. Green Dot Money Pack.
Oh, Money Pack. Green Dot
Right.
Money Pack. Okay, sir.
All right, so all right, what are you going to be doing? How far is a Walmart, a CVS, a Rite Aid, a 7-Eleven is from you?
It's like 5 minutes away.
Oh, 5 minutes. All right, which one, Walmart, the CVS?
I think the CVS is more closer. It's like 5 minutes. The Walmart would be like 10.
All right, the CVS. When you go to the CVS, you're going to be going to the gift card section. You're going to be going to the gift card section.
Yeah.
You're going to be looking for that American Express gift card. If you don't see American Express gift card, you could be looking for a Green Dot Money Pack. So you're going to get 2 cards for $500 a piece, all right?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah, let me explain the purpose of your card. Your card would be to give you your 2-year free gasoline. One, we gave you your $10,000 every month, all right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, so you're just going to be go to the CVS store. You're going to look for the gift card section. You're going to pick up your 2 cards. It's probably going to be costing you $1,010 to have it being activated, all right?
Okay, sir. So how much is it gonna cost me though?
It's going to cost you $1,000 and $10 to have it registered.
Okay, and after it's registered, how much more I gotta put on it so I can get my prize?
No, remember, you're going to purchase 2 cards for $500 a piece.
Okay,
All right,
okay.
To activate it, it's going to cost you $10. $5 for the 2 cards. It's going to cost you $10 for the 2 cards, all right, to activate it.
Okay, sir.
All right. Now, remember now, I want you to keep your business private.
Of course.
Till
Of course.
God
You know, I love privacy, sir. That's me.
All right, wonderful. All right, so what happened now? You need to go get your card right now and give me back a call on my number so he could see that you're interested and you want to have this done today.
Wait, before you leave, sir, I'd like to give you this bumbleclot message, a big stinky that pussy wall. You know, if you stop blood clot scam.